Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send your USDT from Bybit to Binance. In order to send, click on the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down a bit more and move from the account section to assets so you can have a view of how much USDT you hold on your wallet. With this in mind, simply scroll through and click on withdrawal and then proceed to use the search icon to search for USDT. Click on the USDT option, and where we have the address, network, and amount, all of these info can be provided from yourself. Remember, we are performing an on-chain transaction, not an internal transfer. So it's on-chain, which is from blockchain to blockchain, wallet to wallet. All right, so in order to provide an address, select the network you're sending on. We're going to be sending via the Binance Smart Chain, which is the BIP20. So you're going to have to provide a BIP20 address and also have to hold a minimum of 10 USDT in the BNB Smart Chain, and then you're going to be paying a withdrawal fee of 1 USDT. All right, with this in mind, minimize and open up Binance. Once Binance has opened up, simply click on the deposit icon you find at the home screen. Click on deposit crypto and then select USDT. And remember, we're receiving on the BNB Smart Chain, so click on this, copy your address, minimize, and then open up your Bybit. Paste the address you've copied from Binance, paste it there, and then enter the amount you wish to send, and then hit the withdraw option. By doing this, you'd have successfully sent your USDT from your Bybit account over to your Binance, and all you need to do is perform a reload and you find it there. So guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.